Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about after having a WordPress theme, where you can submit that theme, and from which place people can actually buy your theme, and you can get some benefit and some money. So this is a very popular website. This is Theme Forest. So here you can see there are tons of things. If I click on popular items, it will give me the popular items that's being sold in 2019 in Theme Forest. So this is basically updated weekly. So you can see Avada will be always in the #1 position. No matter what you do, Avada, this is something. This is basically a golden goose that no one can ever defeat, I guess, because this has already over 550,000 down install in the whole world. So that's something that you can't defeat in a while. So it's being sold for $60, and already 5,064,000 copies have been sold. So this is huge. It was first created in 2012, and this is 2019. In 7 years, the business has grown into so big that I can't even imagine. So if I just pull out my calculator and see the revenue, so this is 5,064,121 into $60 per unit. So that gives me around $33 million for this one single product. So for those who keeps telling people that you have to have multiple products, you have to make WordPress themes on a regular basis, you have to publish themes on a regular basis. This does not have to be like that. You can see this is just one theme, and if you just see other big companies, they only have one or two or three, 5 or 10 good products, very good products that they sell over and over. So you only have to have one product that's something that's been solving people's problem for a while, and eventually people will do your marketing. Like I am making a YouTube video on Theme Forest, and now I'm talking about Avada, responsive multi-purpose theme. So this is also some marketing that they will get. Even a small number of people that will see this video will know about this theme and check this theme out eventually. So people are actually doing their marketing. So you have to have only one good product in order to do something big. So that one winning product may take some time. For Avada developer, I feel jealous because he was such fortunate enough that he could gain so much money from one product. But that doesn't mean that we have to lose hope that our products won't do well. So every single day web development technology is expanding, and people are using new technology. Like 10 years before, React.js was not a thing, but currently React.js is like the first thing in the front end framework, and React is also used in the back end. Not React, JavaScript is also used in the back end and in the front end. So JavaScript is like one of the most popular languages in 2019, 2018, and in the upcoming years 2020. So this is 23rd December 2019. We are only a couple days away from entering the new year. So the theme for this YouTube video was to make you aware that there are tons of marketplaces like this one. Theme Forest is not the only one. If you search other WordPress selling marketplace or WordPress theme selling marketplace, you can find tons of other marketplaces as well, where you can actually list your WordPress theme. If you don't want this kind of third party websites, then you can just speak for yourself, and you can just make your own website, and you can sell your WordPress theme through that website as well. You don't have to rely on this platform anyway. But the thing about having a platform is, by default you can gain some traffic, because when you are actually using a new platform that you have made personally on your own, chances are not a lot of people will know about that platform. And as not a lot of people will know, your website won't get as much as traction as themeforest.net is getting. So it's a good deal to have a theme in here, also in the WordPress directory, wordpress.org. And because this is actually free traffic that you are getting. And all you have to do is you have to enlist your theme forest template or theme, whatever you are working on, and you can actually do those things, and you can gain some traffic, free traffic, that you don't have to pay for. You had If you have your own website that you're selling your themes on, then you have to play the not play you have to pay the domain fee, you have to pay the hosting fee, and you have to like maintain that website, as you have to do everything on your own. If you have some people behind your back, then that's good, but if you don't have anyone, then you kinda have to make everything on your own. But here there's no hassle, you can just enlist your item, and once in a month you can check how the selling is going, and you can just get your paycheck at the end of every month. So that's about it in this video. I just wanted you to know that how themeforest.net works, and how you can actually enlist your WordPress theme here, or template here, or some plugin that you worked on. So if I want to see some plugin, uh, I can just type the Visual Composer. Visual Composer was one of the best plugins back in those days, but now people are using Elementor and tons of other cool stuff. So this plugin is good as well. Visual Composer plugin. Where's the plugin? Uh, So I'm not seeing the plugin anywhere. But the thing is, Visual Composer was a good plugin, and now if I search for, there are tons of things that you can do with the plugin territory. Because basically people can use the plugin in any WordPress theme. A WordPress theme can be installed once, but one plugin can be installed for multiple WordPress and multiple sites, and this is like this has more market value uh, from my point of view. If you can create a plugin that a wide range of people will be using in the future, then you will have a great product, and tons of people will actually look for other products that's been created by your company or yourself. So that's something to look out for. Building a brand is a big deal. If you are going to make business with these WordPress themes, plugins, and templates, then you have to make your own brand, so that people keeps coming back to your website to see whether you've launched any new product or not. So that's how you actually grow a business. And with the proper product and the proper support that you will give with the customer care, you can actually make a massive business here. So yeah, so that's about it for this video. I was trying to make this video very short, but somehow it got big. It's almost 10 minutes now. I'm sorry if I have bored you, but I just wanted to make this video if you were bored with all the basics of WordPress, then this video was a necessary thing to watch for, because once in a while something different is good for us, I guess. That's about it. I've already made almost 18 videos on WordPress, and this is the 19th video. And I'm planning to make a lot of videos in this playlist, and I'm trying to keep everything simple. and I'm trying to make everything as simple as possible so that everyone can get a hold of it when they are learning this, and so that they can actually get the best out of it. So you don't have to finish in the entire playlist by one sitting, but whenever you are learning something through my videos, I just want to make sure that actually enjoy you are actually enjoying seeing my video, and you are actually gaining some knowledge that you can later use in your own portfolio or in your own business. So yeah, that's about it for this video. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Oh, one more thing, you can actually check this section out. This is something good. You can actually get some free items every single month, so you can download those things and see the quality for yourself. So that's about it for this episode. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.